Hey guys, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we're going to show you this gorgeous 1960 Oldsmobile 98 convertible. This car is just a one-of-a-kind, stunning automobile. It has had a nut and bolt, not just a nut and bolt restoration, but a nut and bolt concours restoration. It's as good as they get. I would probably venture out and say that this is probably the nicest, if not one of the nicest 60 Oldsmobile 98 convertibles in existence. 394 engine under the hood, automatic transmission. It has factory power steering, factory power brakes, factory air conditioning. The chrome stainless trim, bright work is all new. I mean, whether it was re-chromed or new, whatever. I mean, this thing is just, it's stunning. Check out underneath the hood. I know the shadows might be playing a little bit of effect on that for you, but just look at the quality of the restoration on this car. It's mind-blowing just to see how much time and money they spent on this car. It's just an absolute gorgeous car. Check out the interior. The seats, the carpeting, the jams. Car has power windows, it has power top, it has power wing windows. This thing smells, it just smells brand new inside. I'll take some pictures, I'll put it up on the hoist, and I'll take some undercarriage pictures of it as well. Like I said, you can be rest assured that you're buying one of the best ones ever. I mean, just check out the chrome on this car. Straight as an arrow. There's the floor mats. There's the boot in there. Spare tire, jack instructions. It's just an absolute kick-ass car. It really is. All the power windows work. The power top functions perfectly. All the lights work in the car. I'll go through them here with you in a second. Just look at the quality of this thing. If this was a 60 Impala convertible that was this caliber, it'd be $170,000, $180,000. So this car is probably going to be priced at $109,900, and I think that's a spectacular deal for this car. I'll be honest with you, I'd much rather have this car, this 60 Oldsmobile 98 convertible, than a 60 Impala convertible. I mean, this is a way cooler car in my opinion. Way more character. Just look at that steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel I had back in the day. Car has a power seat as well. I know the horn works because I honked it yesterday. And I know the radio works. I know the blower motor works. Sounds great. Left turn, right turn. The cold start light works. The wipers work.
Factor.
Cigarette lighter works.
Tonight in that Hall of Fame game against the Cardinals.
This car is just so cool. There's the power antenna. It goes up and down. The power top, the courtesy lights, they work. Like I say, this car is just such a badass car. Tail lights, license plate light, turn signals. Like I say, this thing is just straight as an arrow. Check out the body gaps, the panel fitment. What a car. What a car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. What a classy car too. The top is a white top and it's in gorgeous shape as well. You'll see the pictures. You'll see the pictures on my website. I'll run her around just a little bit here. Can't be gone too long. I'm the only one in the office right this minute, and I'm not in the office, so. A lot of traffic today. I'll run her up to the driveway outside of town there and back, and I'll come back. This is the first time I even drove this car, so. Look at that speedometer. Isn't that so cool how it comes over like that? I think it changes colors too when you get going so fast. Yeah, see, now it turns to red. That is so cool. That is absolutely awesome. I know I've had other Oldsmobiles like that, but I think it's so cool. You don't see that cool stuff on a Chevrolet. Oh, this car just makes you smile. Holy cow. If you want a good one, then give us a call, because this car is a great one. Holy cow. What a car. You turn the wheel all the way to the left there, you got a little bit of squeal. I was turned hard. Oh, that green, orange, red. I better be careful. I think I'm running out of gas, so I hope I make it back. Uh-oh. If I nose over this hill, I might make it back. It is what it is. The gas gauge works real well, everybody. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. What a beautiful 60 Oldsmobile 98. Give us a call. Check it out on our website. Have a great day, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.